respected administrative officers, honorable guests, teachers, and all the family of Cambridge. Firstly, I would like to wish you the 80th Independence Day of India. Friends, in this 80th Independence of India, we have several few things which are going to be in the first time in the history of independent India. The thing is, we are not just celebrating the 80th Independence Day of India, but we are also commemorating the 150 years of Vande Mataram, which was a song that first awakened the spirit of unity, national consciousness, and gave a strong voice to the freedom movement. To give the respect for the national song, our Home Ministry have given several headlines that the national song must be respected as the national anthem is respected, which means that all the citizens are compulsory to stand in attention position whenever the national song will be sung. And in this year, it is the first time when in the Red Fort, the Vande Mataram will be played along. Now, I would like to take you to the journey of from to now. Friends, when we got independent in 15th August 1947, it was a time when we lacked banks. And after the 30 to 40 years, we remained as the same condition. It used to take hours of time to take or withdraw money. But now, we can pay a handsome amount of money just by one click in the phone. Friends, at that time our infrastructure was not good, but today we are the second largest country in the road network, the second largest country in the rail network, and also from the largest producer of milk, rice, wheat, and mica. We are also setting benchmarks in the space technology and several more things. Now, a message from my side for you all is that in the independence, we just not have to celebrate the independence of India, but we must have to celebrate the independence of ourselves also. In this independence, as my father told me that you have to get rid of your one habit, which is studying your growth. So I would like to tell you all that one habit which is studying your growth, you have to leave that, and with that you will feel the real independence. And at the last of my speech, I would like to tell that this is an educational institution, and our country India has been marked as the second largest e-learning country in the world after America. And in education, QS University World Ranking in Asia, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, and IIT Madras has been marked as the first, second, and third greatest university of Asia. With these words, and at last, if I will not recite the slogan of the Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. With these words, I would like to stop my talk. Thank you. Have a nice day. Awesome.